Got a motivational speech for everybody. Tell them what you want, Josh. Go ahead, Josh.
Man,
go ahead.
Real talk, bro. I just look around me and I see successful people.
Success,
we got
look.
Porsches, bro.
Porsches, look. RS.
$1,000 cars in this bitch. But y'all just don't get it, bro. Y'all are sitting at home, sitting on your ass, bro. You're working 37 hours a week thinking you're fucking doing something.
37.
Get the fuck off your ass and go fucking grind, bro. We only get one life that God gives us. You better make the fucking most out of it. I swear to God.
Tell them, Josh.
That's it. That's
Hey, man, listen, man. Hey, look. Motivational speaker right here. This Josh, man. You know what I'm saying? Go ahead, man. Tell them this how we do it, Josh.
That's it, bro.
Hey. All right, City fans. So we came out to the Model Underground meet today and parked over here. I low-key could have went backwards somewhere, to be honest. But I don't care. No backup camera. Who cares? Let me unlock the car, because it's got to go back down. See, I got some gas earlier, and then I didn't put it back down, but whatever. All right. So, GG3 parked over there. We're about to go back on the other side because that's where everybody else really parked over there because of me all the way over there. But VIP parked over here. So I guess he got like a Mopar section or like a... yeah, I am. I was gonna back up more, but I don't care. I don't have a backup camera.
Oh, you don't?
No, it's no backup camera. So when I looked, I was like, I'd rather be safe than sorry. When I got out, I was like, fuck it.
Yeah.
Whatever.
Whatever.
They gonna see it anyway, so it don't matter.
That's true. That's true.
I'm gonna go get my raffle ticket.
Raffle ticket for what?
Yeah. I think you get a raffle ticket up here for something. But I'm giving an award away today.
Oh, true.
Yeah, you go over there, get a raffle ticket over here. For something. I'm not sure what it's for. But it's for something though. The Lambo probably gonna win. It is. I got my award as the most expensive car. So he probably gonna win. Hey, this money making Mitch over here. In other words, that's money making Nick. That's what I call him, all right?
Maserati Nick, motherfuckers.
Right. I called him that. He really didn't take that name. Forget Hell Rango, all that. Switch it out, Maserati Nick. He ain't got to worry about nothing else. He got one already. Look, then all you got to do is get a Gran Turismo, then you have both of them.
I'm about to get an Acadia.
Anyway, all right, we're going to go over here to the,
y'all gonna show me the same love?
For an Acadia?
I got an Acadia.
Ooh, I'm not, look, y'all, I'm not letting Nick drive with me. And,
Wait, yo. No, put the camera on you and me. So I can't drive with you.
Hold on, let me turn it around here, hold on.
So I can't drive with you if I got an Acadia.
No, it's like he can't drive with me. He got to get picked up.
Yeah, but say what kind of car he got. And say how it
He
looks.
got a 300.
Hey, when you watch this, Ken, when you watch this shit, it was his fault. He was talking shit, not me.
Hey, Ken, when you watch this video, he was talking shit, not me, okay? He was. He said it first.
He said it first.
No. What I said, you want me to tell you the story? So what had happened was, how you gonna keep screaming his name? Jesus Christ. Motherfucking M-Wade? Damn. Anyway, so what happened was, Nick was like, I'm gonna get a Acadia. I'm like, well, you can't drive with me. Then I'm like, no, you can't. I said, just like my brother over here, Ken, he not driving with us. He gotta,
He got a 300.
Yeah. So he was like, what's wrong? He said, what's wrong with his car? I'm like, nothing. It's just a 300, you feel me? He said, what you mean, a Striker 300? I'm like, what you mean? Why would I say Striker? I don't even use that terminology, brother.
No. I asked what was like wrong with the cosmetics.
Damn.
Hey, y'all done seen my boy's Ken 300, but ain't nothing. Hey, Josh gonna be like, hey, my man, just go ahead.
I can't come to the car wash?
Just leave it.
No, I'm about to tell you the story.
Matter of fact, yeah, Twin Peaks, he coming to the car wash.
Can I come to the car wash?
He come to the car wash.
All right.
Bro, please, can I do something to it? Can I put like decals or something on it, please? Before you go to the car wash?
I'm making a concept car at this point.
Yeah.
But we should do something crazy to the engine though. Shouldn't we do something to the engine?
Yeah, so nobody won't know.
So nobody will know it'd be a sleeper? Oh my God. Hey y'all, comment below. Let me know what we should
What
work.
kind of motor we should get in his car?
Well, no, he already got a V8. He got a C, right? Yeah. All we gotta do is either supercharger or turbo.
Oh yeah. Or whip.
Put a whip on that boy. Ooh, won't nobody even know.
And don't change the body.
Yeah, leave the body the exact
All
same.
right, right now, down below, you see this image of his car right here, y'all. Y'all see how it looks?
Hold on, I'm not even doing all that editing. I don't know what he's talking about.
Edit that part right there and put a car right here. Or click to the car of it so we can.
It's gonna be below. It's gonna be below, y'all. I don't know what he's talking
Y'all
about.
can see how the car looks and y'all know what we're talking about.
And then tell me if we should do like a cardboard bumper or something. You know how they seen that? No.
Oh my God. I didn't know that
You
shit.
didn't know he ain't have a,
No.
You lying.
Swear to God.
Kid, he ain't know you. He ain't know you ain't have a bumper.
No, you didn't.
I just said I was like, we gonna put we gonna draw the bumper on there. You know how they do the cardboard bumper? We gonna do that. He's talking about, oh, he ain't got a bumper.
How you not know that? SRT bumper. SRT8 bumper.
You gonna get an SRT bumper?
I'll make a video.
Hey man, they tripping. Hey y'all, Nick, hold on, Nick. Hey. Hey y'all, Nick, hold on.
This is how Nick is usually is. He riding on hopes and dreams.
Hold on. You can't. This is not your Hellcat Durango. You can't stop at a gas station.
Any gas station.
No, y'all. Nick was supposed to bring a bottle, right?
Yeah.
I say, Nick, where the bottle? He said, oh, shit, my battery died.
Yeah, I mean, this Tesla's on it right now because my Durango crashed up. And I said I knew my car. It's not my car. It's a rental car. But I knew my shit. I got
knew
here.
I would make it out here. I ain't say I would get back.
It said
That's how I would get out here.
How many miles you got?
The closest charger, I would have 1% when I get to that charging station. 1%. I'm not.
It's in the sun though. You know it drain the battery if you're in the sun.
No, when it's cold, it drain the battery.
You're right. I'm talking shit.
Thank you, bro. I'm like, hold on, wait, do it really do?
Okay, Nick.
We thought he was.
He was supposed to
I thought
rev.
it was gonna rev only.
Well, in that case, I'm next.
I thought it was gonna rev. Right, in that case, I'm next. Look.
What the hell?
Yeah, buddy.
Good prep, nigga. I bet they don't want no chicken now, do they?
Oh, I know who that is.
Who? Why do you care? Yeah.
I didn't know who it was at first. I'm about to make sure. Hey, let's look at my shirt. You know who I am right here.
I think the seat is lower. The seat of the car is lower. Yeah, like the front is lower. Wait, what are we doing? I'm confused. What happened? Wait, what are we doing?
Exhaust.
See, that's why you go to Cali, bro. It would have been shooting flames.
That's fast.
That could have been the last one. Boom! Boom! You know what a Nacetol is? You know what a Nacetol is?
Shut the fuck up, man. I got.
It's called a rev off, Ken. When you shoot flames and stuff. You ready to go?
Yeah. Everybody, I'll be booking me a ticket real soon. This shit gotta stop. I'm good.
We gotta change here. That's what we gotta do.
Yeah, but we need to make some money here.
She gonna beg me to bring my car to her fucking photo shoot. And I was like, I'm making money off of it.
I'm not even recording that with my iPhone.
Man, I don't like none of these cars. These shit. Whoever watched this video, y'all can come to my page.
Wait, hold on. Talking about he taking you on my page to come to his page.
Oh, y'all, no, listen.
Damn.
Don't hit. Don't leave bad comments on his shit, but come to my page and leave bad comments.
No,
all y'all cars
leave
are
bad.
whack.
Fuck what he talking about. Leave bad comments, cause I get paid from that shit. So I don't know what he talking about.
No, come and like some of my videos on my page. All right.
That's crazy. You see?
That is.
Yeah, hey, say it again.
Damn.
Fuck that video.
Oh, I'm black.
Wow, how you don't like your own people? Anyway,
You see his hair color?
that's he make his skin like that. That's what he wish.
He like Charlamagne and God.
He said I couldn't bleach my skin, so I'm gonna bleach my
Say
hair.
me so.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. That was worth it. That motherfucker loud.
He called you out. He called you out.
That's him in 40 years.
He called you out.
But wait, that's you in 40 years.
Ferrari.
A Ferrari? All right, I'll take that, bro.
I swear.
That nigga
Yes, sir.
I drove an hour here. I'm staying here for
Hell yeah, they getting my motherfucking award. God damn it.
Let's go on the Lambo and let's leave.
I'll just put it on the
Leave it on his
Lambo.
windshield.
Yeah, can you get that next?
I don't even know where it's at.
He right here.
Yeah, do yours so we can go.
All right, y'all, so we actually made it. Look who came. It's Juanito. Say hi, Juan.
Hola.
Hey, look, but Josh right here. Josh got a motivational speech to everybody. Tell them what you want, Josh. Go ahead, Josh. Go
Man,
ahead.
real talk, bro. I just look around me and I see successful people.
Success,
We got
look.
Porsche, bro.
Porsche, look. Already.
$1,000 cars in this bitch. But y'all just don't get it, bro. Y'all are sitting at home, sitting on your ass, bro. You're working 37 hours a week thinking you're fucking doing something.
37.
Get the fuck off your ass and go fucking grind, bro. We only get one life that God gives us. You better make the fucking most out of it. I swear to God.
Tell them, Josh.
That's it. That's
Hey,
all.
man, listen, man. Hey, look. Motivational speaker right here. This is Josh, man. You know what I'm saying? Go ahead, man. Tell us how we do it, Josh.
That's it, bro.
Hey, tell
Elevate
them.
yourself.
What's the YouTube?
DeLuca in Detroit.
DeLuca in Detroit. Everybody
Check
like.
out the channel.
Oh, it's all, you got it on the car now?
Yeah,
Oh,
look.
I didn't even know you had it on the car. Hey, yo, I thought he put it. Bro, can you get a freaking
The rap's coming
decal?
soon. The graphic designer's working on it.
Who what you getting?
Don't worry about it.
Ooh.
Don't worry
You
about
heard that? Hey, so Josh about to get a new rap, man. We gonna see.
Give it a go.
All right.
Y'all see.
Hey, y'all want to see a 50-point turn in the park? Holla at Will ass. I said a 50-point turn in the park. Hey man, listen, City fam. It is down 12 o'clock and y'all know I'll be out 12, 1 o'clock to go to get some burgers. Shit.
Hold on.
What are you doing? This guy, bro. Low key, they lucky it's a spot I actually like. Cause normally I don't be doing this shit. But anyway, man, so look, fun-filled day. We went to a couple meets. Damn, I done lost my voice today. Tomorrow is another car meet. Like, listen, in Michigan, bro, we only get so many days to do stuff, right? So we only really get like a good month, maybe 2 months, like of everyday type content to do stuff all the time, you know what I'm saying? And so let me tell y'all, it's like the 5 richest people in Michigan. That guy right there, see? Furthest guy coming, okay? Hey, listen, man, all right, black man, all right. Black man, that's what he talking about. He one of them, you know what I'm saying? One of them ones, you know what I'm saying? Holla at Will, listen, if you need, hold on, Will, tell him what your business is. Come on, man, so this guy.
I build mobile businesses for people, typically party buses, Sprinter vans,
gaming, spa buses for kids. I mean, you name it. Anything you want a storefront on wheels, whatever. We'll figure it out and we'll get it done.
Holla at them, man. You need that. I need one. I'm gonna get one when I get my first couple mil. You know, I gotta have my transport. You know, the fans can go in. You know what I'm saying? Had a bowling on there. You know, I'm gonna get a big giant one. You get the bowl.
Absolutely.
I need all the games, all that stuff. So I'm gonna holla at my man.
At
So.
Your Mobile Gurus, all right? On Instagram.
Your Mobile Gurus, man. So we about to get some food. Not that I need some food. I will show y'all something else, but it ain't worth it. Trust me. Yeah, let me see what these burgers talking about. And I want a yours. See that Ferrari? We should have parked in the front.
Hey, listen.
We should have parked in the front. I normally pay the $40 fee to park in the front.